I'm just keeping posted. Okay. Okay, let's go. I think this is so bad. Oh no. Oh my god. I am not ready for that. I'm just keeping my posted. Okay. It's Goku. This is Saiyan 1. I am calling Frieza though. You are so dumb. This is Saiyan 1. Oh, she have a shield. Huh. Oh my god, it's Frieza. Wow. I just speak normally. I'm just trying to do what I did. I don't know this anime. It's from Dragon Ball, I guess. I just know Frieza, Golden Frieza, and Final Frieza. Oh yeah, we won again. It's so hot. Oh my god, is Kakashi. It's Kakashi. Kakashi versus Frieza. Oh my god. I I think she's strong. I think Kakashi is strong. Oh my god, Kakashi is strong. Yeah. Um, we can get powerful. Oh my god. I just oh I'm gonna lost. Let's see. I'm gonna lose again. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm so scared. What? What if I'm lost? I'm so scared. Whee! I'm so scared with what if lost? I don't want to be lost. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I think we have a one left. Yeah, one left. If I won, you need to subscribe. Oh my god, this beast Naruto beast. Frieza. She's strong. No, I'm stronger. I I'm just playing for this month again and again. So nobody can defeat me. It's so hot. Oh my god. I just speak normal. No one can defeat me, Goku. Goku is not Oh yeah, we won. I think we are gonna win. This is so strong for me. Cherin. Huh? Only little can defeat me. No, not little.
Ano?
Nagbibideo ako. Bakit?
Dalawa cellphone mo, ang galing mo.
Oh no. My tito is pa-epal. My tito is pa-epal. I'm champion. Yay. Look at this, guys. I'm the champion. Oh my god, that's so many. Oh yeah, we are the champion. Ooh, I just made it too hard for me. Yay, champion time. Yay. That's only.